Shawty wine for my slow.
What is up, Sahony.b family? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because it's the second day of glitter theme week. Are you part of the family though? Like, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you liked my previous video? Because if not, what you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, babes, today I have this look for you. It's gonna be super easy. If you guys are into that, check it out. You know, stay tuned. And when not, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, my face is definitely done because we're going to focus on the eyes today. We are using the Morphe 35V palette just to show you guys this palette, because I know this Morphe palettes are kind of raved a little bit, but we're going to be trying it on the eyes today, so let's see how that goes. I'm going to start with this first shade called Scandals, and we're going to work this shade on the crease, you guys. This is going to be my transitioning shade. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to take the shade Vixen, and I'm going to continue applying these shades on the crease. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking the shade Wild Things, and I'm going to do the same thing that I'm doing with the other shade, just applying it right onto the crease. And we're going like in a round motion because we're going to be doing a halo effect today, so... And now I'm going to go ahead and take Trist to darken the inner and outer parts of the eyelid. Again, remember, we're going to do a halo effect, so... And now we're going to leave it a little darker. I'm using Addicted to kind of darken up the outer and inner parts of the lid once again. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Like always, I like to use the ITCOSMETICS by my Under Eye Concealer. You guys know it's legit one of my favorite ones. It's so freaking bomb. Like, look at that. So opaque, so pigmented. Like, it'll clean up anything, literally. And now, you guys, I'm gonna take this glitter from Glitter Injection, and I'm using the shade Can't Mold Me Down. Don't know what the hell that means, but we're gonna apply that right on the center of the eyelid. And now, you guys, I'm taking a little black book and I'm applying it on the outer and inner corners. And I'm kind of regretting this right now because it's not looking that good, but let's keep trying. Oh my god, why this damn camera keeps out of focusing? What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, you guys, so I'm not mad at it. It looks really good, actually, so I am super happy. So okay, not okay. Okay, you guys, so next for my bottom lash, I'm gonna take the shade Addicted and just drag it right along my lower lash. Next, you guys, I'm gonna take Wild Things and just drag it right under there. And I'm also going to be taking the shade Heat just because it looks so pretty and I'm dying to use it. So I'm just going to drag that also on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this like dark rose liquid lipstick to apply on my waterline. And you guys, I'm actually going to go ahead and take this rose or pink shade from this palette, JUVIASPLACE Masquarade Mini Palette, and apply a little bit on my inner corners. Okay, you guys, now we're so ready for some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes by Bold Cosmetics. I'm using the Bigger the Better lashes. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash because I totally forgot to do that yesterday. Like, wait. And I'm also gonna take the Pixie palette with Dulce Candy, and I'm gonna be using this pink shade right here to apply it and highlight the face. And you guys, I'm also going to be creating some freckle with this liquid liner by Revlon, which is a brown shade. Okay, let me stop before I fuck it up. And now I'm gonna go in with this liquid lipstick from Fanatic in the shade Fancy. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to become part of the Sahony.b family. And of course, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.